Verification failed, your Apple ID or password is incorrect. Today, we're addressing a common issue many iPhone and iPad users face. The verification failed. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect error. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix it in no time, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your Apple ID and password are typed correctly. Go to Settings, on your name, scroll down and tap on Sign Out if you're currently signed in. Tap on Sign into your iPhone and re-enter your Apple ID and password. And make sure there are no typos or incorrect characters in your Apple ID and password. Now let's reset your Apple ID password. Just go to your name and tap on Sign In and Security. Now here you can find an option that says Change Password. Tap on it and follow the prompts to reset your password by using your Apple ID email. Once your password is reset, go back to settings and sign in again with the new credentials. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause sign-in issues. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Now, let's check if you have two-factor authentication. Simply turn on two-factor authentication. Enabling it might help fix this issue. And that's it. These are the steps you can take to fix the verification failed, your Apple ID or password is incorrect error.